Yeah, here we have a BALDOR 1.5 horsepower, 3-phase belt sander. It's in unused condition. It runs very well. I'm going to fire it up, show you that it does operate. Going to show you this piece right here. This is to lock the head in. Well, that piece broke off, the end piece. It still operates fine though. And then on the other side here, the motor fan shroud got a little dented. It's a little distorted, but it doesn't affect the operation of the machine whatsoever at all. 3,600 RPM. Made in the USA, and we thank you for looking at our product.